Today we're in la Plaza de la Creu Alta in Sabadell. In front of us we have the Castellers de Terrassa. Building a 2x7 torre de fet. We will for sure feel the sun here in this square. We have of course had a lot of sun here for many weeks, well, combined with rain, only occasional rain, but now the temperatures have risen. And when you carry out an activity as physical as building human towers, you of course know that. Look at the piña later on. It's a big piña at the base of the human tower. But now we are reaching the place when it will be crowned. There is crowned. It now takes a bit of willpower here, especially on the fourth level. Okay, to hold it together. They will manage to do so in this taking, but the tills, the torres, always down very below because you don't have any people on the side to compensate. Very well done. Very well done, Castellers de Terrassa. And in the piña, nice big piña here, we have the support of Castellers de Sabadell, the local team, and Burdegas Ruta Vilanova. We are in Sabadell, Catalonia 2012.